What you're gonna need to put your camera bracket on the rear passenger side, also for the driver's side. You need a 10mm Allen socket, extendo. Remember, they're both 3/8 drive, 3/8 ratchet. You need a 15 socket shallow, a long extendo, 3/8. A universal 3/8 drive with a deep 18 socket, a 3/4 wrench. Make sure it's a box wrench. Usually you want the 6-point, not the 12-point.
That's a 12-point, bro.
Usually you want the 6-point, not the 12-point.
Why?
Because you have a higher chance of stripping with the 12-point.
Yeah, but when it comes to that shit, you want the 12. It's a lot easier.
That's when you get the ratchet box wrench, which comes in handy. If you don't have that, that's fine.
You idiot.
I have an 18 in that and a 15 as well. Also need a shallow 3/4 socket, 3/8 drive. And if you have electric ratchet, it comes in handy too. All right. Make sure you also have the deep 15. You need to remove this nut right here, along with the bolt, so you can get the control arm out. And also, deep inside there, you can see that other bolt right there, an unbolt. Remember, the inside part has a flange, so you don't need to worry about getting that bolt. You just need to spin the nut. And that should be it for that part. Now let's get to work. So first, go get your 18mm on the nut and your 15 on the bolt, so you can break them loose. Now be careful on this part because it will pop right out. I have a lot more trouble or I get the wrench. No, I can't. Now, to put the bracket in, you have to make sure you get your upper control arm out. Then you have to wedge it up underneath here. Okay, you always want the smaller hole facing the backside, because that's the way you know it's in properly, otherwise you'll never get it in. So it's there. Then you get your little shorty plus your lock nut, since it has a little gasket inside there. So it's a flat side to double as a washer. When you get inside here.
Yeah, but okay, but do we have a jack?
It's over there.
Do you put the on, Dylan? I will.
Hello, can I ask a question?
Yes, that's it. That's it. That's it.
Pepper. I don't know.
This is where you need your 3/4 box wrench and your 18mm box wrench. 3/4 for the bottom part, your 18 for the top. You get it down. Okay, that should be it. Now you need your Allen bolt, 2 washers, lock washer, and the nut, okay? So on your Allen bolt, make sure you have 1 washer
Yes.
with the lead is facing outward. Get your control arm, make sure you place it into place.
Yeah, I think it's actually
There's gonna be 2 notches in there. Make sure you have it on the notch closest to the brake caliper. Okay, once you get into place, you get the bolt in. Come over here, Robert. Actually, here. Crap. Alright, so I need to wiggle the control arm to get the bolt in. It won't slide all the way through, so you just thread it in. Now, if you don't want to do it by hand, you can get your electric ratchet with your 10mm Allen socket. And then you can run all the way through. Knock washer on. Make sure your nut letters are facing outward. For snug. Okay, once you get that nice and tight, then you can start on the outer part of the control arm. Remember, the bolt goes from the back side to the front. good. There it is. Once you get all tied up, just go ahead and put your tire back on, and you're good to go.